So I'll be discussing the assignments which I've given. There are total 24 assignments and you have to submit by January 10, 2021. So the first question, write HTML program using all the headings. That is, you have to use H1, H2, H3 till H6, and whatever you want to write in between you can write. Color, font style, it's up to you, but mainly that you have to apply all the headings, that is H1 till H6. Then you have to use paragraph tag in second HTML and all the font attributes, that is you have to use paragraph, and also sorry, so also you have to use font face, size and color in that HTML program. So this is also simple. Write a paragraph and change its appearance. You have to write a paragraph and then you have to use bold, italic, underline, typewriter. Typewriter is also one kind of tag. So you have to write tag like this. If you write like this, then it will be a typewriter tag, and the font style is means will appear how earlier it appeared while using typewriters. Okay, etc. means you can also use other things like over the line. I have shown using CSS, so if you want to use CSS you can use it. Then empty element program and display all the character entities. Empty elements are those like break line, then HR, these are known as empty line, empty elements, and display all the character entities. Character entities was there's less than, greater than, and ampersand. So these are the output I need. Then question number 5, we have to make a web page where you have to give heading my school as H1 level. Then you have to align it center and you have to color this one as a red color. You can use school logo also there. You can get our school logo from our school website, and you can apply any font style. Then size, you have to use 5. Color, you have to use dark blue. You have to combine different tags like bold, italic, underline, and also that school should have school mission, history, teachers, activities in the school. Means these are all links, external links, like you don't have to make extra page for mission, history, teacher, but this link should be there. Okay, then write any 6 thought of the day and display them in 6 heading level, that is H1, H2 till H6, 6 headings, and display each thought in different line. Means you have to use break line after every heading. Then change their font color. All the 6 heading will have different font color, they will have different font face, and you have to align them. Change, suppose one you have done left, one center, one at the right side, and again left, center, right, or like that you have to use. Then you have to set the background color of the page as yellow and alternately display that. First, suppose H1 you have to make it bold, H2 you have to make it italic, H3 you have to make it bold, then again H4 will be italic, like that. Then number 7, create a web page and give heading activities of the month. So you have to make a web page. At the top of the web page you have to write activity of the month. Then enter the activities in separate line, in different line. What are the different activities? Like reading, then storytelling, singing competition, dance competitions, everything will be in different line, and you have to change your font face and color, different line, different color. And at the end you have to draw one horizontal line which will have a width size of 12, 25% width, and alignment will be at the right side. You have to give a background color as light blue. Then highlight and italic. Highlight means you have to underline it, and italize this, that is you have to also use italic. Show the use of ordered list and unordered list. Means you have to create some list using ordered list, and question number 9, you have to create some unordered list. This is also simple. Use ordered list inside unordered list. I have done one program, this one. It is known as a nested list. I have already done, I have shown in last classes, means last HTML classes. So you can write the same HTML. Then next you have to create a page and insert 4 images. Suppose you have to use create 4 image, one at the top left, top right, bottom left, bottom right, and for entire 4 images you have to use different attributes. Different attributes means different size, different width, then different border. You can use it different. Then create a web page defining your interests using ordered list. What are your hobbies? You can use ordered list and also unordered list. Then title of the page you can write my favorite thing. Background of the page you can make it light blue. Text color blue color. Font you can use new Gothic empty. Size will be 6. Heading of the page should be an image. Means you have to give an image, very long image, like it should be this much, like this. You have to rectangular image. Then which is in the form of heading.jpg. Then next 14 number, so this means that that image which you have to use at the top, it should be the name as heading.jpeg. Then next you have to create a program, write a HTML code to show external link and internal link, and also one external link. Then you have to use image as a link. In that video where I made links, it means images as a link, you can see that one, you can take help from that video. Then write an HTML code to generate given table. You have to write a HTML code to generate this table. So here you have to use uh, uh, that one call span 1 2 3 4. So call span equal to 4 for supplier, rest it's easy. And again one more same thing, here also call span will be 4. So this is same. Question number 19, create a web page displaying your personal profile. Means you can write about yourself, then there you can write aim in life, then what are your strengths, what are your hobbies, what are the values that make them unique. Then web page should be formatted. Formatted means you have to design it, means background color, then paragraph color, underline, italic, for different font style, that one you can, that is known as formatting. Background color of the page should be yellow, main heading should be in black, and subheading means first main heading, that is if you write my personal profile, that will be in black heading, and below whatever you write it will be in red color. So you have to create list, list for strength, hobbies, and list, and okay, that you have to use list, what both list means you have to use unordered list and ordered list also. Create a home page with email link, means that first page that you create, it will contain one email link, and you have to give your email address there, so that if somebody wants to contact you, they will click that link and they can send you a mail. Also you can add your photo in that home page. Create an anchor top and bottom. Top and bottom also I have shown in previous video. So top and bottom you have to create, that is you have to give internal link, so that when somebody clicks on top, it will go to the top. When somebody clicks on bottom, then it will go to the bottom of the page. Create a web page name web terminology. So in this question you have to create two page. First will be web terminology containing web terms like HTTP, then HTML, then browser, clients. These are all different type of web terms. That page should contain this type information within the document. But that is you have to create one internal link also, so that if somebody clicks on browser, it will browse down, it will come down to the browser, so that when we click on the link word, they should move to their respective details respectively. So this portion is for internal link. Then again one more you have to create, that is protocol.html containing list of protocols like FTP, then HTTP. These are different type of protocols, about them you have to write. Again same thing, you have to create one uh, internal link for all this information. Now these two pages, that is web terminology and protocol, these two should be linked. Means in web terminology there should be a link for protocol.html, and again in this same page protocol.html there should be a link to web page, so that will be external link. I hope this one is also clear. Then create a web page name friends.html. Create a table in this page with 5 columns. So you have to create 5 columns. Table which should be 75%, you have to give width equal 75%. Column headings will be serial number, name, date of birth, address and phone number. Table border size 3. Table border will be red color. Cell padding and cell spacing attribute also you have to use. Then you have to combine the cells of the first row using call span and heading. So you have to combine at the top like this. Okay, so it will be like this. Here you have to write friends data, then below phone number, name, address, these things you have to insert it. Then this example also I have done. I think I have given homework to you, so this you can do it. Then write HTML code to see the to set the image pen.jpg stored in the my picture in C. So if it is stored, suppose here you can see here I have stored these images. So if I want to insert this image in a HTML page, how I will insert it? So you have to write like C dot then slash my document slash pictures, so then that name of the picture pen.jpg, that should appear. So it should be background of your web page, so you have to write body, inside body, and background equal to pen.jpg, not background directly equal to, you have to give the link also, that is C colon slash, you know how to write this one. Then write HTML program to make your timetable. You got your timetable, you have your timetable. So using HTML, now you have to create that timetable. So these are the 24 questions. I hope it is clear. Even if you have any doubt, you can ask me, uh, and try to complete it as soon as possible. Don't wait till January 10. Okay, so if you keep on pending, it will be a burden for you. So try to complete one or two HTML code every day. Thank you.